Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then enter Recovery. Unlock the bootloader and enable USB debugging and OEM unlocking in developer options. Once done, download the exact stock ROM for your model, the latest TWRP image, and platform tools on your PC. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery and use the original USB cable to avoid disconnects. Reboot into TWRP using a DB Reboot Recovery or Fastboot Boot TWRP. IMG and Verify TWRP shows a complete file manager. Now perform the core restore steps carefully. With TWRP open, create a full backup if possible, then wipe Dalvik/ART cache and cache. Only wipe system if the ROM instructions require it. Transfer the stock ROM zip either by mounting MTP and copying to internal storage or by using a DB sideload ROM. Zip for a cleaner path. Once the file is present, choose Install, select the zip, and swipe to confirm. Pay attention to install messages and optional patch prompts. After flashing, run fix permissions if available to avoid boot issues. Finish by rebooting the system and monitoring the first boot. It often takes 5 to 10 minutes while setup runs. If the device boots clean, verify build number and disable developer options if desired. If you hit a boot loop, return to TWRP immediately, restore your backup, or reflash the stock vendor and system partitions as the common fix. As one key troubleshooting tip, if installs repeatedly fail, use Fastboot to flash individual partitions and check for matching firmware versions to avoid mismatched bootloader and ROM incompatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.